Cool guys. So we'll start over here. So I'll open up Paint. Fibonacci series. So Fibonacci series, how it will come? So 1, comma 1, comma next 2, comma 3, comma 5, comma 8, comma 13. So this is what my Fibonacci series. So how manually it came first, we have to understand. Okay. So if you see, if I take 1 plus 1 is equal to what? 2. Then I'll take that 2. 2 plus, sorry, I'll just do one thing. Then here I will take 1. Okay. This 1 I will replace here. Then after that here I will put the 2. That is the output value, that 2 I will put here. Then after that equal to 3. Got it? So that is 1 plus 1 will give me 2. 1 plus 2 will give me 3. 2 plus 3 will give me 5. 3 plus 5 will give me 8. 5 plus 8 will give me 13. So that is what I'm doing. Then I'll take here 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Then I'll take 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Like that it goes on. So this is what I need to do. So here we have 1 and 1 over there. Okay. So it starts from there and then it ends here. So this is what I need to do. Anyone has any questions on this? How I got this values? Now we have to identify the logic for it. Okay, that is what we need to do. Okay, so anyone has any question on this manually, how I got the information, Fibonacci series numbers? Anyone has any questions on this so far? Good. Okay, so now initially I need these two numbers over here. So I need to store these two numbers in actually what? One variable. Then after that, I will get one output. Okay, so then what will happen? I need to store the second value to this. So initially if I take like this, see, int first number is what for me? It is equal to 1. Int second number is equal to what? 1. Okay, then after that I need to store that information. Int final or sum is equal to, then I need to get first number plus second number. Got it? That is what I'm doing. First number plus second number, that I will store it in the sum. Then after that, next what I need to do? Then after that, I need to replace like the first number is equal to second number. Then second number is equal to sum. That is, this is my first number. Okay, so now I need to replace the second number value to this first number, then the second number value to the sum. Okay, then again what I need to do? Sum is equal to first number plus second number. Then again next what will happen? We will get actually what right now? So 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Then here 1 plus 2, okay, that is what here equal to 3 here. Then next again what I need to do? I need to do the same step here. That is, this will be 2, this will be 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, then again next 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 here. Then next 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. This is how it goes. Clear? So this is how I found the logic. So if you see over there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you see over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 informations remain same where I can put it in a loop. Got it? So this alone initially I need to have it there. Okay, so starts from year to year, it remains same over there. Okay, so this is the thing initially I should have, and then I need to print it. So the thing is actually what here, if I use print CISO sum, that will get me my sum information. So initially what I will be printing CISO first number, CISO second number. Got it? That will print me 1 and then 1. Then after that I need to print the sum. That is what 2. Then I have replaced it over there. Then after that here it will print 3. This will print me 3. Then this will print me 5. This will print me 8. This will print me 13. This is how it goes on. Understood? Any questions for anyone on this? So I found my logic right now. Anyone has any questions on this, guys? Can everyone ping me as yes if you understood this part, the logic? First manually we understood how to do it, then we tried to get the logic. So logic I found it now. Great. Okay, super. Good. So now we will go here. Then let me start class Fibonacci. So here I'll give in a way that is int first number is equal to 1. Then int second number is equal to 1. So this is what first we need. Got it? We have done this step. Then I want to print it. CISO first number, CISO second number. So I have printed these two. Got it? Then after that what I want to print my sum. Okay, so this sum, if you see, that is also repeated for all the places over there, the same thing. So here initially I'll have int sum. Okay, so equal to 0. I can give. Otherwise, as like this itself I will try, not a problem. First number plus second number. Okay, I have. Then if I want, I can try to print. Sum. Got it? So now what? I have got my 2. So I have printed 1, 1 and 2. Now here I will start my loop. So for integer I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 3. Because already 2 times we have printed that I plus plus. So that the loop will run for 3 times. Then after that here, what I need to do, I need to replace some I have done, right? Now I need to replace it. So what is the replacement over there? That is the first number is equal to second number. Now what's happening over there? This 1, I'm going to store it over there to the first number. Then this sum I need to store it to the second number. So second number is equal to sum. Second number is equal to sum for me right now. Okay, then after that again I need to put sum is equal to first number plus second number, that is 1 plus 2. That value is what? Stored here it is 3. Now I need to print it. Sum. Got it? Sum here. So now I have got 1, 1, and then here we have got 2. Sorry, here we have got 3. Then next the loop continues. Okay, so I value becomes as 2. Okay, 2 is less than or equal to 3. Yes, correct. Then here what? Again I'm replacing it over there. So the second number value is what? 2. The sum value is what? 3. So it stores in 2 here and 3 here. So 2 plus 3 is equal to what? 5. That 5 will be stored here and then it will print me 5. Then again the loop increments. So now what happened right now for me? So the I value will be what? 3. Then 3 is less than or equal to 3? Yes, correct. Then comes here. Now here this will be actually what? 5. This will be 8. Then 5 plus 8 is equal to what? 13. That 13 will be printed here. Then after the I value becomes as 4, then comes out of the loop. Got it? This is how the logic, and then we have written a program for it. So following this logic, I have written one by step over there. Nothing I have done. Easy for everyone? Can everyone ping me as yes if you're clear on this part? I want a reply from everyone if you guys are clear on this part. Super. So same thing, I'll try to execute. Let me check whether it is fine. So initially int first number is equal to what? 1. Int second number is equal to what? 1. Then after that actually what I need to print it. So number second number sum is equal to first number plus second number. Then printing sum. So this will print me 1, 1 and 2. Then running the for loop for integer I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 3, I plus. Then here first number is equal to second number is equal to sum. I'm replacing it. Okay. Then after that sum is equal to first number plus second number. Okay. Then I'm going to print sum. So let me print it whether I'm getting the numbers properly. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. So if I increase to 4, it will be printing 30. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Same thing if I want to print everything 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 in the same line, then I should give only print. Instead of print alone, I'm going to give only print alone. See now, it will print. So here also it's print, right? Print. Everywhere it's print. One, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. I just want some spaces means what? Just give a space like this. Everywhere a space. Then if I run it, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. That's it. Got it?
Only one small girl.
Yes, yes,
Yeah, here we can give I is less than or equal to n. I mean, if we want to
Correct. Yes, that is also possible. Yes. So what does that means? Int n is equal to 5. If I give, so here I can just give, so get it for, sorry, get it till 5 over there.
Okay.
So this is also possible. So how many rounds actually what you want to run, you can just give. This is also possible.
And what's the difference between print and print ln? I mean,
So simple. So print ln, what it will do, it will print the information and then after that move it to the next line. Print ln. So print, what it will do, it will print and keep the cursor there itself.
okay.
So if you see, so hello. So I have this. Okay. So now when I run this, hello, how are you? Print ln. So it types, it prints hello, and then because of the ln, it move the cursor to the next line. How it will print, because of the ln, it move the cursor to the next line. Are you, it will print, because of that, it moved to the next line. Same thing, instead of print ln, if I have print, everything will be printed in the same line. Hello, how are you? Let us give a space so that this is the difference between println and print. Got it, guys?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so now we have done with actually what the logics, the basics of it. I'm going to give you some assignments today so that you guys can get more information on that. You see, okay, so I confirmed actually what whether a number is a prime or not. So you guys using a scanner class, you will be giving an input. So you guys have done with the scanner class, right? Or no? Okay, most probably not. I hope so. So I will just tell you today. You guys have done? No, right? Yeah, today I'll tell you. So during the execution time, I will be giving an input. So based on that input, I need to verify whether that number is a prime number or not. That is one. And then we know actually what how to find whether a number is a prime or not. But we have not seen in the series of numbers what are the numbers are prime. Okay, that I want you guys to do. So in between 1 to 10, how many numbers are prime number? I want you to print that. Then find the number Fibonacci series for 10 numbers. So today we have done. So you guys can continue the same thing over there. Then find the factorial of a number, you guys know. Same thing, you can do that. Then find the sum of 5 numbers. That also you guys know. But still, I want you to do it by yourself. Okay. So next, we will try to go with the pyramid numbers. So what are these pyramid numbers and then how to use it? So this is what we are going to do it right now. The pyramid numbers are important because that will be asked in your interview just to check whether how good you are in logic. So you guys want a break or can we continue? So let me know over there. In case if you guys want a break, I'll give a break for 5 minutes. Otherwise, we can continue because I just don't want you to get exhausted. Okay, cool. So we'll have a break. So till 8:05, then we will start with the pyramid numbers. Cool. Cool, guys. Okay, 8:05, we will again connect. Thank you. Hello. Hey, hi guys. So we'll continue the session. So now I want to print the pyramid numbers. Okay. So before going to that, the basics we'll see. So I want to print numbers 1 to 5. Okay. So how to do that? So for integer I is equal to 1, and then I is less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. Got it? Now I want to print the numbers 1 to 5. So scissor I. If I give, it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? Now I want to print it actually what in a column level. So in a single row. Right now it's printing actually what in a different rows. 1, 2, 3. So I want to print everything in a single row. Can anyone tell me what is the change that I need to do here in the program?
Remove ln from print.
That's it. The print ln, I need to make it as print here. Okay. So now let me run it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? That's it. So now the thing is, I will have multiple for loops over here, and then I will try to print the same thing. Now I will have two for loops. Inside the for loop, I will have another. This is called as nested for loop. J is equal to 1. J is less than or equal to 5. J plus plus. The same information what I have written in the outer for loop, I'm going to write it in the inner for loop. Okay. So what will happen? So instead of 5, I will make it as 3 so that it will be easy for us to calculate. Okay. So now I am going to do the same. So scissor, I will print I. Okay. So what is going to print first we will see. Later on actually what we will see other things. Run as Java application. 111, 222, 333. If I print J, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What's happening? We will see. Guys, in case if I'm going fast, please stop me. Okay. Don't hesitate over there to stop me over there. You can please stop me at any point of time. No worries. So this is my for loop. So now here, if you see, for integer I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 3, I plus plus. And then integer j is equal to 1, j is less than or equal to 3, j plus plus. Then here I'm printing j. So what's happening over there is, okay, so here I will have I, j, my output. Okay, so initially what is my I value? That is 1. 1 is less than or equal to 3? Yes. Then after that actually what? It's actually what? Going to go in, it's going to go inside. Then j, initially j value is what? 1. 1 is less than or equal to 3? Yes. Then after that it comes inside, it prints me j. So what is my j value right now? It is 1, it prints me 1. Then next it's a print element. So it goes to the next line. Okay. Then next actually what? Again I value, sorry, j value. The inner loop actually what first executes. After the execution only outer loop it will go. Now j value will become as 2. Then after the 2 is less than or equal to 3? Yes. Then after that it prints me 2. Then next j value will become as 3. 3 is less than or equal to 3? Yes. Then it will print me 3 here. Then after that cursor move to the next line. Okay. Then after that j value will become as 4. 4 is less than or equal to 3? No. Comes out of the loop. Then I value. Now I value is what? 1. 2. Okay, 2 is less than or equal to 3. Yes, correct. Then after that, it comes here for integer j equal to 1. It's 1. Then after that, 1 is less than or equal to 3. Yes, it prints me 1 year. Then j value will become as 2. Then it prints 2. J value becomes as 3. Then it prints 3. Then it becomes as 4. Okay. Then after that comes out of the loop. Outer loop again increments to 3. 1 prints me 1. 2 prints me 2. 3 prints me 3. Then 4 comes out of the loop. Then outer loop becomes as 4. Then after that it comes out of the loop. So output, if you see 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 repeated. Understood? Any questions for anyone? Any questions, guys?
So for every number, first it will execute the j, then it will go for I na.
Yeah, because inner loop actually what will execute always faster. Outer loops will execute slowly. Because once the inner loop is executed, after that only it comes out of the, once it comes out of the inner loop, then only again outer loop will be incremented. Got it?
Yeah.
So anyone, any questions on this execution part? Anyone has any questions on this execution part level? Same thing, instead of j, if I'm going to have it as I, right? Now what will happen? What is my I value here? It is 1. So that's why here it will be printing 1 1 1. Same thing if it is here, it's 2 2 2. Then here it's 3 3 3. Like that it goes up. Good. Okay, so now I will give an information. So I want to print it like this: 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3. So I will make it like this instead of that. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. So I want to print it like this. So what you need to do? So right now, if you see here, it's printing 1 2 3. Then again 1 2 3. Again 1 2 3. But all in the same line. But I want to do a small change. 1 2 3 print here. Then move to the next line. Then 1 2 3 print here. Then move to the next line. Like that, I want to do it. Can anyone tell me what to do? Can anyone tell me what to do for this?
We can use scissor print.
Super. So here, the one information is the instead of println, we can make it as scissor print. Yes, correct. Then
in the first loop, after first loop, we have to give the scissor print.
yes, here I should use scissor println. I'll just give it like this. So println I can just give here. That's it. So now when I execute, what will happen? Same the step. So what is my I? What is my j and what is my output? So I value is what? 1. 1 is less than or equal to 3? Yes, comes to the j. J value is what? 1. 1 is less than or equal to 3? Yes, then prints me j. So what is my j value? That is 1 here. Okay, it's a print. So my cursor will be here itself. Then it goes to the next loop. So j value will become as 2 now. 2 is less than or equal to 3? Yes. Then after that it prints me 2 here itself. Then it goes to the next line. J value will become as 3. Then 3 is less than or equal to 3? Yes, correct. Then after that it becomes as 3. then j value will become as 4. Then 4 is less than or equal to 3? No, then comes out of the loop. Okay, then next actually what? System.out.println and empty. Print ln is there, so what it will do, it move the cursor to here. Move the cursor to the next line. Then after that, next what will happen for me? I value increases to 2. I value increases to 2. Then j is equal to 1. So becomes as 1 year. Understood? Any questions for anyone? How actually what I becomes as 2 and then j is 1? It starts the loop again. Then after that year, 1 is less than or equal to 3. Yes, it prints me j. So now what is the j value? That is 1. Then next actually what? J value will increment to 2. 2 is less than or equal to 3. Yes, now it prints 2. Then for loop increments to 3. 3 is less than or equal to 3. Yes, then it prints me 3. Got it? Then after that, system.println empty, it move the cursor to the next line. Now I value will increment to, sorry, before that j value will be 4. Then after that I value will be increment to 3. Then again j value starts from 1. Okay. Then after that next actually what? 1 is less than or equal to 3. Yes. Then it prints me 1. Then again j value will increment to 2. Prints me 2. J value increments to 3. Then prints me 3. Then after that j value increments to 4. Okay. Then comes out of the loop. Now system.out.println, it actually what? Prints here actually what? Goes to the next line. Then I value becomes as 4. Sorry. I value becomes as 4. Then after 4 is less than or equal to 3, no, comes out of the loop. That's it. That's how it prints 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Understood? Any question for anyone on this? Anyone has any questions on this, guys? Cool. Okay, so let me do the same thing here. We'll see. So I'm going to print J. This should be print. Here it should be scissor print. Now when you run this, one, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I want to print 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Can anyone tell me what I need to do? Can anyone tell me what I need to do if I want to print?
Instead of J, replace I.
That's it. Super. Instead of J, I should print I. Super. Good, guys. Okay. So this is the way. Now we'll see again some more logics here. Okay. So that which makes you comfortable on understanding it. So see here, I want to print 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. This is what I want to print. So how to do it? See here, these informations represents what? Rows, correct? These things represents actually what? Rows. Then after that, this one represents columns for me, correct? This one represents columns, correct? So now, how many rows we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So totally how many rows I have? 4 rows. Then how many columns we have? 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. Okay. Then next thing. So here 1, 1, 1, 1, rows level, if you see 1 1 1 1. So actually what that means, in 3 rows 4 columns. Yeah, sorry, thanks man. So totally 3 rows, 1 2 3, 3 rows 4 columns. Okay, so 3 rows 4 columns. So now if you see over there, so 1 2 3. So rows level, if you see over there, 1 2 3. Actually what is that? That is a increment. Okay, rows means always it's a outer loop. It's a known thing. Then columns level, if you see, it is 1 1 1 1, 2 2 2 2, 3 3 3 3. Okay, so that is actually also, you can make it as actually what? Increment. So if you see, we are not changing the numbers. We are just printing actually what? The same thing. So we can make it as actually what? Increment only. Then that should be a inner loop. Okay, so we have got that information. Okay, so now we know how many rows, how many columns. That is, I need to start from actually what? 1, and then I need to end by 3 here. Here, start from 1 and end by 4 for the inner loop. Okay, so that is rows level. If you see, I'll just put here. Rows is always a outer loop, and then start the loop by 1 and end by 3. Then here 4 columns, inner loop, then start by 1 and then end by 4. End by 4. Correct? This is what we have. Any questions for anyone on this? So based on this, now I'm going to form a loop. So how? If you see, so totally 3 rows. I need to outer loop. I need to start from 1 and end by 3. Correct? So for outer loop, I will have, see here, integer I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 3, I plus plus. Got it? That is the outer loop. So we started by 1 and then we end by 3 here. Then inner loop, totally what? It's also an increment. Start by 1, end by 4. So for integer I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 4. Sorry, instead of I will make it as j. J plus plus. Got it? Then after that, actually, you want to here. So 1 1 1 1 inner loop always actually what will be running faster over there. So which I need to give. So print alone. Here what I need to print over there, if you see 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3. Okay, so the outer loop, if you see actually what initially it will be 1. Inner loop actually what initially it will be 1. So inner loop, if you see, it will be running 1 2 3 4. Outer loop, if you see, it will be slow running loop over there. Okay, so this is a slow running loop over there. This is a faster running loop. Okay, so slow running loop means actually what? Always keep here this I here. So now what will happen? First I value will be 1, then after that j value will be 1. Then after that the j value, the inner loop will run for 4 times, so that it will print 1 1 1 1. Then after that comes out of it. Now I need to move to the next line. So I'm going to give scissor println, so that now it will move the cursor to the next line. Then after that, next what will happen? I value actually what will be incremented to 2. 2 is less than or equal to 3. Yes. Then j value actually what will be 1. Okay. So then next, now what will happen right now for me? System.println I. So j values, I value is what? 2. So for 4 times the inner loop will run and then it will print 2, 2, 2, 2. Then system.out.println. Okay, move the cursor to the next line. Then I value will become as 3. Okay, then after that j value will be running it for 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will print 3, 3, 3, 3, the I value. Then comes out. Then after that println moves out over there. Understood? So this is what we have done so far. Any questions on this one? Anyone has any questions on this? So very basic today. Tomorrow we are going to see more on that. So that is how to do 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like those things. Same information if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Like those things and all we will be seeing tomorrow how to do it. Any questions for anyone for today's session, guys? Is everyone clear on this part? Everyone is clear? Okay. Thank you. Thanks, guys. So with this, I'll stop it for today. And tomorrow we'll continue seeing for the still loops. So the main thing is actually what we have to understand the logic better. Still tomorrow I'll be explaining you the logic more and more so that you will be able to write logics by your own. It should be like that. Good. Thank you. Thank you. So tomorrow we'll meet by same time, 7:30. Thank you.